Hi, I'm Patrick Hopper, and welcome to another Marketing Minute. And this week, we're going to be talking about embedded world and our special DevZone inside of the embedded computing booth. And I'm back again with Editor-in-Chief, Ken Briodagh. Ken, why don't you tell us a little bit about what exhibitors can expect at the DevZone?
Always happy to be back here on the Marketing Minute, and we are back, baby, with the DevZone. DevZone has been a lot of fun to have, and this will be our second year at Embedded World in Nuremberg, Germany. It is located right inside our Embedded Computing Design booth 1500, for those of you looking for it on the show floor. And you're going to be able to showcase your dev kit, dev box, development platform. Here, the audiences are going to come by, they're going to check it out. It's kind of like an unboxing. They're going to be able to open it up, take a look at it, and really get their hands dirty. I'm going to be recording videos about these. You're going to get speaking opportunities, and we're going to be doing raffles and giveaways all throughout the show, so it's not an opportunity to be missed.
Great. Thanks, Ken. What are the big benefits? Obviously, featuring the latest dev kits. Engineers love the dev kits. Students love the dev kits. This also gives you and your subject matter experts an opportunity to speak inside of our booth. We have an area for you to speak. And then, as we mentioned, there's a giveaway, there's a raffle each day. And then, Ken, you're going to be doing videos of each of those dev kits that will be housed on YouTube shortly when the show is done. So what can exhibitors that participate expect for KPIs? We're going to be delivering a ton of leads for you. We're going to be delivering YouTube views. You're also going to be featured in our scavenger hunt. So we're going to be driving traffic to our booth. There's going to be tons of awareness that's also going to go on through social media and all of our promotions that go on to drive traffic to our booth. There's various pricing opportunities. They all start at $1,500. There's a full description of the DevKit Zone inside of the description. So if you're interested, make sure to check us out. And there's a link for more details. And looking forward to seeing you guys all at Embedded World. Thanks, Ken.